Large-size laptop tray desk NNEWVANTE foldable bed table tray, adjustable coffee/TV disc 100% bamboo breakfast serving tray gaming writing 4 leg locks support up to 18 inches laptop 29.5 x 17.7 inches * spacious using space. Large laptop desk surface size 29.5 x 17.7 supports up to 18-inch laptop/computer/MacBook Air/iPad with enough space for mouse, cup and keyboard. * for secure leg locks. All 4 legs with stainless steel leg lock can prevent legs folding inwards. Crafted out of eco-friendly 100% bamboo to ensure stability, reliability and long-lasting durability. * adjustable height and foldable legs. Adjustable leg height at the range of 11 to 15.75 to meet your requirement. Foldable legs for easy storage. So the bed table is excellent for adults and children, office work or home usage. * perfect as a gift. Handmade polished for smooth surface laptop desk. Quality bamboo combined with exquisite craftsmanship providing you smooth surface laptop desk. Give this as a gift to a newlywed couple or the family who is moving in the next door. Or keep it in your house for days you want to lounge and work or eat breakfast in bed. * multi-use desk. Not only work as a laptop desk, but also as a TV, dinner tray, serving desk for patients/kids, floor coffee desk, book tray of readers, study writing desk for kids, laptop holder. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.